You can get. You guys have to try this at your home. You can actually do the opposite way. So you're gonna buy some of these. Even though it's just like $260 or $230. Yeah, $230. 230 pesos lang to, guys. Cute. Guys, ang cute. Grabe. I am the boo. Just kidding, it's just me, Gwen. And welcome back to God's Blessing and Wisdom channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. Another one. So, I said another one because we have another of these honey durables. So yeah, we're gonna see because I already know what this is. This was so obvious because I could see the color. Look at that. Yeah, you could see the color, and then I was like, bro, I can't see the color. Yeah, so yeah. So it's very obvious that it's this one right here. Hold on, this one. So let's open it. How do I turn along the... Oh. Oh. Okay. I need a scissor. What if I just push it down? Trouble. Trouble. Okay, just... Hey, go fly away. That was so fast. I know it was so obvious. Wait, does it have... Wait. Oh yeah, it does. This... Okay. Where should I get it? I think I should put it here so I can know what the spoon is. There it is, guys! Oh my god, this is so cute and so squishy. And also it was very obvious. Let's go with the next one. Guys, who do you think it is? Comment down below. it's another axolotl. Great. Again, that was so quick. Yay, I got the plastic out. Oh, they're buddies. Guys, comment down below if you did know the answer. I'm doing Wenda, but I can't do the Wenda thingy. It's a cactus thing. Ow! Just joking. You are like an axolotl. You're a cute axolotl. You guys are twins. Guys, I noticed something from these. Are they all rainbow eyes? They're all rainbow eyes! Okay, they're actually all purple. How did I not know this? You guys are cute. You guys are cute. So cute. Are you guys gonna switch ends? Let's try to test it out if it actually works when it does like an opposite like egg, you know. Does it actually do that? It does an opposite! Look at this! So you're gonna be in there and you're gonna be in there. Why do you look like a boy? You're so cute. You guys have to try this at your home. You can actually do the opposite way. So you're gonna buy some of these. Even though it's just like $260 or $230. Yeah, $230. 230 pesos lang to, guys. Cute. Oh, guys, I'm cute. Grabe. So cute, guys. So cute. attractive. I am actually from the Philippines right now. If you guys want to meet me for real, yeah. So I live in Minoan Estates, and this is Block 7 Lot 8. Would you like to meet me or subscribe to my channel? Well, that was fun. If you guys like this video, like and share. Comment down below, what was your answer on the cactus one? Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Also like.